I wanted to speak about a woman that Allah chose on my life. I am not wrong about that woman, the woman that I need in my life in the future. He is Allah, the one who know about any one of us. That the message of him. Don't say why me or instead of Alhamdulillah. I see two things in your heart. I read it. You are a woman who love Allah deeply. You are a woman who want Jannat deeply. Huh? You are a woman can control your life, all things about you for the sake of Allah. So ask why Allah chose you. It is not to punish you. It is to bring the same heart together. Allah chose for that reason. I speak about you what I see. What I see in this, we have very distance between us, but I hide about you what I hear. Exactly. That is my secret. I don't want to speak that. So you are the best example of all of us. Allah choose you in this life because what I ask, he know what I ask him.